Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find apps in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some of our projects and some recommendations. From here we have to go into the top left corner, then on apps, and then we have to tap apps again. And now here we have a lot of apps that we can connect to our Canva account. For example, this colorize app seems very interesting. You can take black and white pictures and then just add color for it. Typecraft is also looks very cool. ChatGPT, DALI. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.